Hello Gemini, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, and on the other side will be the energies of the person you are thinking of. Just feel free to swap the characters or swap the sides, pick your sides as the situation resonates with you, and then there will be the mutual energy or the outcome of that situation, whatever you call it. And obviously, as they are also general readings, so they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. And listen to your moon sign and the name sign if this reading does not resonate with you. Okay, so let's see what's there for Geminis. So your energy, wow, the Two of Cups. Your partner, the Queen of Wands. The mutual energy or the, wow, Hierophant. What else do you want? Outcome. So here with the Two of Cups, I don't think there's much to explain in this card. With the Two of Cups, definitely this is your feeling towards your partner. There is a lot of love, there is balance, there is reciprocity, there is honesty, there is transparency. It is a beautiful relationship, and both of you are very, very happy that on your side. And here with your partner, with the Queen of Wands, obviously much mature, cool, complacent, satisfied, and that person is also very happy. Everything is fine, seems to be fine over here. And with the outcome or the mutual energy is the Hierophant, which is commitment, which is marriage. So both of you here are in a committed relationship, and both of you plan to marry. Okay, so let's see if there is anything else deep within. What are the messages? There's Two of Cups here. We have the Six of Wands, the Eight of Wands, and the Temperance. Wow, Geminis, after a long time, beautiful energies. So here with the Six of Wands, the Eight of Wands, and with the Temperance, a beautiful relationship it is, Geminis. With the Six of Wands, definitely it is talking about celebrations. You are happy, you are victorious, you feel celebrated, you are in a beautiful relationship. There is a lot of communication going in. With the Temperance, I think you people are balancing the situation in a very beautiful way. You're balancing this relationship in a very, very beautiful way. There is a beautiful balanced relationship over here. Nothing nothing to be upset about, at least for now. Let's see, why is Queen of Wands here for? Wow, the Nine of Pentacles, the Two of Swords. Wow, here something, there is some tension here. Let's see. And with the Two of Swords and the Five of Pentacles. So here what I feel here is that there has been a situation on this side, whosoever this side is resonating with the Queen of Wands, there has been a situation in this over here when this person felt sort of very, very ignored. There has been some sort of a setback in this person's life with you, or in general, that you have to see in your situation. It can be there's some sort of a setback was there, some hurt was there, and this person became very, very guarded, closed off, taking their time off, taking their time, spending time alone, trying to find the answers from within. And their only solace perhaps over here was you in this situation. It can be that whatever this situation was, perhaps you were the person who has given them support in this time to heal them from this situation and to come out of the situation, whatever the situation was which left them sort of broken hearted, or it can be a financial or whatever loss it was. But it was the only, what I'm getting here is this person had become very closed off, very sort of shattered and broken from inside, and perhaps it was your love or support which has brought them out of this crisis, whatever this crisis was. That's what I'm getting. And perhaps you have given them that support to heal them, and they have taken that time, and now they are in control of themselves and their life. Let's see. There is Hierophant here for Chariot. Wow. The Ace of Pentacles and the High Priestess. Beautiful energies, Geminis. As the outcome with the Hierophant, it is definitely a commitment and a marriage to This is a major arcana, you know that. With the Chariot, again a major arcana. It's just, I think it's talking about a quick new beginning. Just getting married. Are you? Definitely, this, it's mutual energy, or the outcome here is that you're listening to your intuitions. Maybe you're not acting as for taking much of action right now, but things are going to move pretty fast once they start moving. Even if you people are taking your time, perhaps there is a definitely new beginning over here. There is a stable commitment. Once the things start moving, they will move pretty fast. Okay, and what I am getting here is that it is a marriage which is just around the corner. You are both of you are using your intuition and instincts in this relationship. Beautiful, lovely. I'm so happy for you, Geminis. But things will move pretty fast. But the vibe which I'm getting here is, it is as if I'm talking to someone who is already entered into this phase or is just about to get married. It's just on the verge of that new beginning of a beautiful relationship here, Geminis. So hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.